If you have a file like this is just a text file. If I name it just numbers from 1 to 20 and each number is in separate line, so this means total 20 lines in this page. So if you want to display the first uh, 10 lines of this file, so how you can do this using command line. So head, then tag n, then the lines, the number of lines that you want to show. Then let's say I want to show 10 lines, then the file name, so in this case it is numbers.txt. so as you can see it is displaying 10 lines of the numbers.txt file. So let's change it. Let's say I want to display 8 lines, it is displaying 8 lines. Now if you want to display the last 10 lines, then you can do this using tail, then tag n for a number of lines. Then let's say I want to display the last 10 lines and then the file name, and as you can see it is displaying the last 10 lines of this file. So let's say I want to display the last 5 lines, it is displaying the last 5 lines of this numbers.txt file.